Welcome back. The Bank Nifty down about 130 points. The Nifty is down about 25 points right now. Mid caps are once again outperforming. Ashwini Gujral, Mitesh Thakkar back with us. Rajat Bose also joins us. Morning again. Ashwini, since your strategy has been to buy the dips, what would be the stop now for the long trades and what would be your stock calls?
Your stop will be closer to say 10,750. So this could be a time where you buy and obviously keep a stop, because whenever the market turns in a sideways market, you generally don't get big follow-throughs. So for the moment, buy into Nifty, Bank Nifty, 100-point type of stop should help. In terms of individual stocks, today HPBP are coming back. So BPCL is a buy with a stop of 322, target of 336. Tata Elxsi is a buy with a stop of 1030, target of 1065. BAML is a buy with a stop of 755, target of 785.
Okay, thanks for that. Mitesh, what are your stocks? And specifically, I again want your opinion on India Bulls. Actually, yesterday they put out a detailed ALM note on the exchanges and the market seems to like it, at least as of now. It's 2 days running up.
I think there's still more upsides to go. I think 870 is what I think the stock will head towards. About 8-9% kind of trading upside can still happen. And I think even if now somebody wants to buy it, a 790 should be a good stop loss. Coming to my stock calls, Capital First is a buy with a stop at 517 for targets of 550. And ONGC, I spoke about that stock in the morning as well, trying to reverse from oversold levels. That's a buy with a very tight stop at 142.5 for targets of around 150, 151.
Okay, I'm glad you brought up Capital First. I wanted to ask you what your view is on the other stocks in the same space. So Edelweiss Financial is up almost 5% right now. It's made a big comeback lately, Mitesh. Also Bajaj Finance, 30% rally from the lows. Would you trade any of these today?
See, Edelweiss I think has hit the trading circuit. Yesterday I think there was good price and volume action, and today we have seen a follow through with a gap. I think if somebody can get the stock on circuit also would be worth taking an attempt on the long side. I think 178 half should be a stop loss now, and I think the stock is possibly reverse the short term trend heading towards levels of 210 to 15. Bajaj Finance, yes, I think from a trading point of view does look interesting. The overall targets on the upside could be closer to about 2600 to about 2620.
Okay, by the way, like we thought could be the case. Once again, IT is moving forward and batting for the bulls. Mid-cap IT in particular, just pull out the intraday chart of some of these names like KPIT. KPIT Tech is making highs of the day. Hexaware is looking very interesting. Just pull out the chart intraday right now. That's KPIT up about 3%. I think the one having breakout right now is Hexaware. That's up almost 1.5%. Look at that bar right at the end. Mitesh, your thoughts on the stock? Mid-cap IT doing well? Some of these names like Hexaware, etc., or even KPIT?
Yeah, so Anuj, I think I like both of them. The structure has improved, and I think both these stocks, have completed kind of correction and are now trying to reverse. KPIT, I think the first targets was close to about 221. We are near to that, but I think once it crosses that, I think 240 could happen. So I would be very positive there. Hexaware, I think the structure is slightly, it's good, but it's slightly, the KPIT structure is slightly better. So Hexaware might find getting past 340, 345 a difficult job in the short term. So there could be some more trading upside of 4-5%, but then you will see profit booking emerge.
Okay. What about Tata Elxsi, Ashwini? Do you think it needs to break that 1060 level to run, or do you think it's already on the front foot?
See, IT is picking up. Rupee is kind of backed off from 69, etc. So that way, all of these stocks look like they could head higher. NIT Tech, Mindtree, etc. So the point is they are ready for buying. 950, 960 is a stop. I think 200-day moving average is at about 1180, 1200. So those are places where this can go into. So for a few days, while banks kind of consolidate, I think IT could pick up some of the mantle and, help the market consolidate.
Okay, well, some of these stocks in the real estate space have come off today. So Oberoi Realty, Prestige Estates are both in the red. And Page Industries is one stock that is making lower lows month after month. So from the highs of 36,000 in August, Page Industries is back to 26,000 now. Rajat Bose also joins into our conversation to give us some stock ideas. Rajat, hi, good morning. What are the stocks that you would look to trade?
One of the stocks is quite common, that is Tata LXI. My target would be 1065 and 1059, and 1039.80 would be my stop loss. And once 1065, in fact 1059 to about 1065 is a resistance zone. If that is taken out, then it can head for 1078 or even higher. But that zone is a pretty difficult resistance zone. Raymond looks good to me. I would put a stop loss just below 815, that is 814.75. 828 to about 834 would be the target. And finally, Oro Pharma. This is also attracting good bit of buying. 814 to about 818 would be the target range, and 803.80 would be the stop loss. And if you allow me, I would say HDFC still continues to be a sell. 1910 could be the target, and put a stop loss above yesterday's close of 1980.
Okay, gentlemen, thank you very much for giving us your 10 a.m. trades. The market at this point a little under the weather at the index level, and the advanced declines. Well, actually, the advanced decline not bad. It's showing the strength of the mid caps, and you still have about 10:7 or 10:8 in favor of advancing stocks. So not bad as far as the breadth of the market is concerned.